Yo guys, and welcome back to this week's Black Clover spoilers for chapter 295, and this chapter is freaking amazing, something we have never seen so far in Black Clover. We have gotten a new transformation of Noelle, which is not very surprising, but her transformation itself looks like a goddess. Like, she looks like so good in this transformation. Tabata went total ham with this, and not only that, there are so many exciting twists and turns in this chapter, showing that this transformation of Noelle was not as easy as we were thinking. And not only that, in this fight, Noelle and Undine are working together, not like the previous battle with Veronica where they lost, but this one, Undine is working as a spirit of Noelle because her connection with Lord Pachika has been taken off due to taking her away from her, and this caused a fact that to increase the power of Undine, she need to be connected with someone's Grimroar, and that is no one other than Noelle. So before diving deep into the spoilers, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss next week's spoilers, and make sure to hit that like button if you're stoked, ready and excited to see Noelle's new transformation. And let's get started. Okay, so the title of the chapter is As Promised, and the chapter starts with Noelle behind her Undine and saying that I am here, Veronica, to defeat you as promised. And Veronica is really excited and happy, saying, "Oh, Noelle Chan, you are right here." We see Charlotte very surprised as she see Undine behind her and saying, "What? Undine was the spirit of Lord Pachika. How can she be with Noelle?" Like, seriously, this is a serious question right now. But moving forward, we see that Noelle and Veronica are having an intense battle. On the other side, we see Gaja taking care of Lord Pachika and is really worried about her. Next, we see like our crazy girl Veronica. See, she is like so crazy in these panels, and like her cushions are jiggling like crazy. She's saying, "Noelle Chan, you're finally here. My wait is now over. I wanted to you become even stronger, but now I am even crazier, stronger, and I am able to use my full strength." And we can see that Noelle is saying something, but I'm really not able to translate this one. Moving forward, we also have two colored pages in this chapter, which I really forget to tell. Like, it is such a hype, things are going on totally in this chapter. We have two colored pages. One of them, the whole Black Bulls crew is standing. It is just for the celebration of like 15 million copies, which just sold out with 3 million copies worldwide, and it is amazing. This is one of the best colored page I have seen so far for any celebration. We can see Yami at the back telling us that Yami is not currently in the part of Black Bulls. We see Magma looking so insanely crazy. We have Zora without his mask. We have Nero. We have like Chami looks so crazy. At the left hand side, we also have like Nakt, but I cannot show you all these images because like copyright claims and all the stuff from Shueisha, and I am already having 2 strikes. So if you want to support me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Moving forward, we went to a flashback where we can see that Undine is really worried about Lord Pachika. She is like having a flashback of Lord Pachika and her talking to each other and saying that to Lord Pachika that your kindness is all I needed. And we also see that the relation between both of them is very good. We also see we came back to like a pretty like flashback at the time when Noelle is training with the spirit of like at that spirit area. We see Undine saying that I don't have any sort of Grimroar attached to me right now. I need someone to like actually like activate my power even at a further extent, and because her connection with Lord Pachika has been taken off, she's not able to use her power to the max potential, and for that she need to be connected to a new Grimlore. And here we can see that taking advantage of this situation, we can see that Noelle is getting an idea to actually unite with her. But here we can see that both Undine and Noelle are actually fighting. Undine is saying that you are just so weak, you need to get stronger, and you like they both like trash talk to each other, which I really love. And not only that, we can see Dietary is like trying to calm both of them down and saying like, yeah, both of them, please calm down, we have to really fight right now. Next we see that then we see that Dietary is talking to Noelle, saying that Noelle, there's more to ultimate magic for you, a power that you must learn. Undine, so you are alright, but somehow. And the next panel is something I'm not able to read or translate or not get any sort of translate image on Twitter. So if I will found any translation for that page, because it is really important, it has ton of text in that, and it will be like literally the base of the new transformation of Noelle. So I will link it down below in the description section. So yeah, check that out. But continuing forward, we see Noelle is totally serious right now, and she raises her hand and says that now it's not the time to fight. We need to unite right now to save Lord Pachika. In the next panel, we see that Veronica is going totally crazy, saying that this time you won't be alive, Noelle. This time I will gain all the entertainment from your magical powers and the buff you have gained in the times I have given to you. I won't be leaving you this time. And you can see like Undine's art in this chapter, this panel looks pretty good. Like, I am so sad I am not able to like actually show all these images to you, so you can check these out on my Twitter. It will be also down below in the description. So yeah, you can check them out there. And moving to the next panel, we can again see that both that Noelle is actually showing her dedication to Undine, saying that like, I really want to save Lord Pachika, and so do you. So let's just like move on together. Let's just do it right now. And we can see Undine is crying tears out. Like, it is like really not a good environment. It was pretty terrifying, and seeing her crying was like, oh my god, like something is bad. But still, like, she has to cut off her connections with Lord Pachika in order to actually join with Noelle. And the next panel is so damn crazy, as we see that Noelle is actually charging up. But not only that, we see Lord Pachika is actually crying, which means that even though she is in like total control of Veronica, she is not like totally like not understanding what is happening around her. She is understanding that she was attacking her own people, and the fact that Noelle and Undine has came to protect her again and again every time she gets like in any sort of trouble. She is very grateful for that, and she's crying for that. Moving forward, we see that Noelle is actually concentrated in her own sphere, where Veronica actually uses her blood magic to actually like totally cover it. But then we see a crazy freaking transformation, and are you all guys ready for it? If you are, so make sure to hit that like button. And the transformation looks so freaking cool. All her blood spells like totally get evaporated, disintegrated, and we see a goddess out of the shell, and it is none other than our girl Noelle. Like, this chapter is going to be such a banger. I just cannot wait to like read it with the official transformations, translations, and all this stuff. Like, it is going to be impactful. This is going to be an impactful chapter. It is going to be a banger. So yeah, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying it so far. And I have a bad news for you, like in the end of the video, that not the next week but next to next week the Black Clover will be taking 1 week break. So yeah, like I guess that is expected, because like Tabata is working really hard for the movie, and who knows, like for anime. And in this week's chapter there were 2 colored pages, one for the cover, one for the like celebration for 15 million, and like 14-page chapter with so much detail. Like, my god, this guy is working his ass off right now. So yeah, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.